Hi, I'm Mike Evanesco, CTO of 888 VoIP, and today we'll be unboxing Yealink's new T34W. This is the newest entry into Yealink's T3 series. This phone comes with Wi-Fi capability, so it's going to be great for any resellers or service providers looking to put a Wi-Fi capable phone into their customers' locations.
As we open the box, you can see it comes in your standard Yealink packaging. The T34W itself has a very nice differentiating feature with its high gloss screen. You can see this provides a nice modern and elegant visual approach to this phone that puts it along the same line as the other T3 series in the higher model series. You can see the phone also comes with your standard Yealink backstand. This backstand provides two different positions for this phone that can be placed on. The product itself also comes, of course, with your Yealink handset and the handset cord.
You can see this phone has a nice color screen, making it easy to see all of your line keys and incoming calls. This model supports up to 4 different line keys and up to 12 programmable DSS keys. We have your standard soft keys here: history, phone book, do not disturb, and your menu options. This phone also supports dual gigabit Ethernet ports, both internet and PC, so you can connect your PC to this phone if you have a single Ethernet drop. But to be honest, the main feature of this phone is its Wi-Fi capability. That is the big difference of this model in the T34W. So most likely, you're not even using the Ethernet ports on this phone to begin with if you purchased it, but they are there if you need them. I would like to note that if you do plan to use this phone under Wi-Fi, it cannot act as a wireless bridge, meaning you cannot connect this phone to a Wi-Fi signal and then use that as your main WAN connection for a PC connected to the Ethernet port of this phone. That will not work. The T34W supports all of the standard features you come to know and love in your Yealink products. This phone is available now, and we do have it in stock. Please call us at 888-864-7786 or visit our website, 888VoIP.com, to learn more. Thank you.